In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply the Tradingview screener to watchlist stocks. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, utilizing screeners effectively can be a game changer for your trading strategy, helping you identify opportunities and monitor your investments with ease. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's get to the Tradingview charts. Simply head over to the Tradingview website and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Charts section. It will typically be the main interface you see after logging in, offering a vast array of tools and options to analyze trading data. Being familiar with this area is essential because it's the hub where all the magic happens and where you can manage your stocks like a pro. Now, on to where the action begins. On the right side of your screen, you'll notice a panel filled with various options. What you're looking for here is the Screeners button. Go ahead and click on it. You'll find it conveniently tucked away on this side panel, making it a simple yet powerful tool at your fingertips. The screener is an invaluable resource, as it can help filter through stocks based on a wide variety of criteria, from performance metrics to dividend yields and more. After clicking on Screeners, you will be presented with a wealth of information. On this page, you'll find an overview of all pertinent stock details. This includes factors such as price changes, volume, technical indicators, and other pivotal data points. This comprehensive overview allows you to tailor your analyses according to what matters most to you, providing a robust foundation for your investment decisions. It's like having a personal assistant providing insights and powerful sorting capabilities, enabling you to focus on promising opportunities that align with your trading strategy. Take your time exploring the different components and features available in this section. You can customize the settings to match your specific criteria, whether you're screening for stocks, hitting new highs, those with the best value, or even tracking your current watch list for any notable changes. The flexibility of the tool is yours to harness. By efficiently utilizing the Tradingview screener, you're not just saving time, you're enhancing your ability to make informed, strategic decisions that can significantly impact your trading success. And there you have it. An easy guide to applying the Tradingview screener to your watchlist stocks. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore, adjust, and personalize this tool until it perfectly fits your trading style. Happy trading, and may your investments always be in the green.